Today I have for you a very important Bitcoin fact. This is something concerning. Today I have for you a very, very concerning Bitcoin fact. I can understand that now all the people are very, very excited and say, oh yeah, the bottom is in, we go up. But there is something that nobody is talking about. I have not seen anybody talking about this. I talked about on Twitter. I will show you this. I will tell you exactly why I'm a little concerned and why you should at least take it into account before investing or buying in any cryptocurrency. At the end of the video, I will show you how you can get up to $30,050 bonus, $30,050. It's the maximum you can get. Imagine so much money now to trade, start to trade. It's free money. I will show you how to get it. Stick until to the end. And yeah, I will not take any more of your precious time. Let's jump right into the content. Now, you can see here that I told you yesterday that I will open here a long position. I got stopped out, but obviously, if you see something like this, you get stopped out, you will come back here. You start the trade again. You open a trade again. If you did it, congratulations. So how much money did you make if you re-entered this trade here? You are up now 2% with a 10x leverage, 20% on Bitcoin. That's nothing bad. So now, what is the next thing that will going to happen here? So what I told you is that I think that we could from here really have a massive move to the upside. But first of all, obviously, we need to get over all this previous lower highs. Okay, so the most important point is here 98,700. 98,700 have to break, and you see here, where do we find now resistance? On the middle line of the downward sloping channel that I was drawing from yesterday and showing you here. Sorry, this was my, I'm also trading here like in the traditional market, NASDAQ. Sorry for that. Yeah, and now we are here in this downward sloping channel, but we have to break this middle line here. If we can break this middle line, then I see no problem that we hit here this target and that we go also here to this weekly level. That is so important for us to break. So now, what's the next thing that we could do here? Yeah, if you are in a trade, I would just put your stop here around this, above this area in 95,500. Put it in 95,500, so whatever happened, you make money. If it goes more up, yeah, you're fine. If it goes down, you get stopped out in profit and you made at least some profit. So now, what about the liquidation? So also here, I would like to show you some important data. You know, here, the open interest is 117 billion. Imagine, okay, liquidations, we had 275 million. So, and the biggest winners are meme coins: Broccoli, JSTOOL, APU. Okay, these are the three, these are meme coins. Then we have XCN and GPS, and the open interest change. This is very interesting. Why? Can you understand why this is interesting? You know, if many people are opening a long trade or a short trade, then the open interest will rise. So if you have a change of an open interest, this is something that tells you, okay, many people are open long or open shorts, you know. And here also you have the ratio of the long and the shorts, if people open long or open shorts. Okay, so yeah, that's very interesting. And what I always show you is obviously here the liquidation map. You know, the liquidation map is showing us what? The liquidation map is that we have a lot of liquidity on a 92, and there above it's not that much liquidity, but it's the 24 hours. So let's check at least the 48 hours. In the 48 hours, there's liquidity here on 97, and you see here is basically a gap, and this gap is exactly where I told you, where we have to go above. Okay, and the 2 weeks, that's what I most like, because it gives us a very good idea about where is really the next liquidity cluster. And you see here on the 100 mark. So what I think now, I think the people are already done with selling. Nobody wants to sell anymore. That's why they give a push to the upside. But I will tell you also a fact that is very, very important for you to understand. So stick until the end. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And if you want my book, 10 meme coins that can 15x your money in the next 6 months, so just put me a comment. And you see here, this, I think, is the next level that we will see. We will go to this level. But now look here. In Twitter, in my Twitter account, Bitcoin active addresses declining after 107,000 peak. Active address have dropped below the 364 days average, now at 1.1 million. Historically, similar drops have signaled local tops. So can you understand what this means? That means that we are maybe facing a local top. So this is a little concerning for me, because if the address is declining, and this is normally a local top, and we are now going down and down and down and down and down, so is it maybe, was this already the top here? So yeah, let's see. But what you can do now is here in the pinned comment and in the description, you have a link. The first link, it's from Bybit. You can get up to $30,500 bonus here. You have all the conditions, all you have to fulfill. You can even be a VIP trader. You get a lot of benefits from them. So just register, deposit, do the KYC, and then you can you can claim the deposit. They have like every 24 hours, 33 billion in volume. It's one of the biggest exchange, and for me, the most secure exchange. I have never heard that anybody had problems that they was hacked or somebody steal money from them in Bybit. So yeah, that's for me the absolute best exchange. So yeah, that's all for today. Take advantage of the $30,050 bonus. About the declining wallets, this is a little bit concerning, because really there's nothing that, yeah, you know, the market's manipulated. They say, oh, Bitcoin is good, Bitcoin is bad, oh, the China changed the policy or whatever. You know, they are manipulating very much using the news. But if there is an on-chain data, like the active wallets are decreasing, this is concerning. So put me in a comment, what do you think about? Take advantage of the $30,500 bonus, register Bybit, deposit, do the KYC, and you can, after doing the steps, claim your bonus. And if you want my book, 10 meme coins that can 15x your money, just drop me a comment below and I will send it to you. Okay, thank you very much. Take very much care of you and of your crypto. See you tomorrow. Bye.